Hello everybody. What is it? March 22nd, video blog. Coming to you from a new location. Dark location. Just want to give a big shout out to the birthday girl today. Alice, you turned 13. Don't get to see you or talk to you, so maybe you'll see this one day and know that Dad loves you, misses you lots. So, what do I have to say today? It's March 22nd, Sunday. Just gonna roll a joint, give a little update. Got my buddy hanging out with me. Say hello, Tucker. Tucker, stop that. Don't eat that. Say hello. What's this? Say hi. He doesn't have much to say. That's Tucker. He's my co-pilot today. What's happening Sunday? Video blog. Select cut seeds. Select cut. What's up? So I thought I'd roll some the last of the outdoor here. Northern Jack autoflower. I made some pills out of the rest of it. And I just thought I'd talk to you guys, see how everybody is doing today. Yeah, man. It's the master plan. Usually I have more to say. Feeling kind of uninspired lately, yeah? Feels like the weight of the world is on my shoulders. And I kind of went looking for wisdom this week, not really expecting to share any. Maybe I don't even have any to begin with. But yeah, if you guys have any comments or concerns, just shout me out. I'm very available. Got the social media still kicking, even though the fucking hydro's not kicking. And the rest of the world has kind of had to follow in my footsteps now. Live with fucking nothing. Good luck with that. What did I do? Took me 3 times to apply for these sick benefits Daddy Trudeau's fucking handing out. So I applied for that bullshit. Not like I believe in it. Not like I'll probably even get it. But if they're giving out 15 weeks of sick leave for people affected by the, what is it, Chinese virus? Yeah, it's not really Chinese. It's fucking Asian. Let's be politically correct here. It's a fucking Asian virus. Came from Asia. But whatever. A lot of people have predicted it. Everybody said it was coming. Nobody believed them. Fuck. What are y'all gonna do, man? What are you gonna do? Locked in your places. Must be nice to have a warm place to fucking chill out in. Got TV, internet, all that bullshit. Probably. How the fuck am I gonna talk to you guys and roll this joint at the same time? I have to put you over here. There we go. Anyway, just gonna roll a joint. Talk to you guys. Fuck, it looks super eerie.